greasing of nipples needs doing, I'm your man. Hello, welcome to the vlog, Weekend Caravaner. This is one of my shorts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grease up the hitch head so that I have less movement and everything is all nice and greased up well for the drawbar and the actual braking system. So let's have a look. Here are the two greasing points. As you can see, they're a little bit dirty and yucky, so I'm going to give them a bit of a clean up and apply some grease. One of the reasons that I'm applying the grease here is because on this head, if I move it up a little bit, see I've got a little bit of movement, you could probably hear it. That's because it needs some more grease. So let's have a look. So I bought one of these grease guns to grease the nipples and hopefully keep the drawbar nice and lubricated between now and its next service. Oops. It's a bit hard to get off. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong there. Anyway, let's do the next one. It's a bit tricky to get off that. Anyway, I've given 25 squirts to each one of those nipples. I'm going to see if it makes a difference with the actual head and the drawbar. See if there's less movement. If not, I'll apply some more. As you can see, there's no more movement. That must mean there's enough grease in there. Good, so I should keep that nice and lubricated between now and this next service. The reason I did this video was I noticed there was nothing, I couldn't find anything on YouTube about doing this, so hence the video. Hope it's helped in a little way. If it has, good, thumbs up, subscribe. If it hasn't, sorry to have wasted your time. Cheers. Okay, so as you might have noticed, it was a little bit tricky to get this off once I'd greased the nipples. I've noticed it's on a bit of a thread, so what I did, I tried again and I undid the thread. Then when it was on the nipple, I did it back up. I applied some more grease, and then when I wanted to remove this, I undid the thread again if you can see, and it came off much easier. So I'm assuming that's what you need to do. Having not greased any nipples like this before, I was a bit unsure, but I think that's what we need to do. Tighten and untighten this little applicator. Great, good. I know now better for the next time. Any more greasing of nipples needs doing, I'm your man.